Welcome to the Anne Frank tour here in Amsterdam. My name is Judith and I'll be your tour guide today on the best tour of Amsterdam. We're gonna walk through the city center and look at the city center through the eyes of Anne Frank and see whatever the Second World War brought to Amsterdam and to the Jewish population of Amsterdam. It was said that little Anne, who was only 4 years old when she moved here to the Netherlands, was seen quite a lot in the offices of...
The tour was really amazing. It really gave me a lot of good information about Anne Frank herself and also about the city in the Second World War.
And it stands out because Cohen is a famous name for, last name for Jewish families here in Amsterdam. So basically...
And then how did Judith do it today? How was the guy?
Awesome. You could hear quite well, so I like that one.
Yeah, and they are called stumbling stones, or struikelstenen in Dutch, or stoken. So, if you want to see Amsterdam through the eyes of Anne Frank and want to know what it was like growing up here in Amsterdam during the Second World War, then I hope to see you soon here in Amsterdam. See you soon!